How to fix this file does not have an app associated with it for performing this action. Now, the only troubleshooting step that we can do is go to your Windows icon right here and then type in registry and click on registry editor. Now just go ahead and click on yes, and this will show up on your screen. And from here, all you have to do is go ahead to H key classes roots. Double click on it and then scroll down and look for see live script, and then below live script just click ink file. Double click, and then on the right side of this window, on the empty window, just right click and click new and click string value. Now name the file to is shortcut. Click enter. Now once that is already existed, just simply delete on that. And if you don't have is shortcut yet, just go ahead and right click in new and then click string value. Now once everything is done, just close everything and then restart your PC. So that's how you troubleshoot, or that's how to fix this file does not have an app associated with it for performing this action.